Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk about personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. I've got a great one for you today. We're going to be looking at ticker symbol RSSS. This is Research Solutions Incorporated. I believe they're based in my backyard. Yep, they're in Henderson, Nevada. So they're right down the road. We're going to look at the fundamentals. We're going to look at the technical analysis. We're going to see if insiders are buying, selling, if institutions or hedge funds are buying or selling, and just overall look at the chart and see if we have a potential move coming. Without further ado, let's dive on in. All right, you guys, we are looking at ticker symbol RSS. Let me move my head. All right. So it looks like it's been in a tight range for quite some time. It's been bouncing from $1.85 to $2.30. I mean, as you can see, it's been like this since November almost. So, is this price warranted? I don't know. Let's look at the bigger picture. Okay, so here is the monthly chart. It actually looks like a cup and handle with the cup height of 385 and the low around 50 some cents. Let's see what momentum is doing here. It's heading up. Okay. So, let's look at the RSI. RSI is slowly potentially moving up. It's kind of hard to tell. It looks like it's been just bouncing between 50 and 45 for the past, gosh, 6 months. So RSI is not too telling here. We can see that momentum is turning on the monthly, so we could be potentially heading into a move up. We can see that the money flow is going up, so more money is coming into the stock. Last time we were at this level, the stock went, or was at 263. And before that, it was as low as $1. So money flow looks like it's going up, which is good. Relative momentum indicator looks like this is slightly going up this way. So does this stock deserve to be $2 or should it be less? Should it be more? Let's find out. And this definitely does look like a cup and handle. So let's draw our lines here of resistance. So the stock has not broken out yet. So we can see the stock price has been having a hard time breaking this resistance, but it's also been holding the support here. So this looks like a very long and drawn out handle, but again, we're going to find out if this is an ideal price target or a stock price. I can just tell you right now, I'm going to say it is. Yep, $2.16. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the math together. They make $36 million, 300,000. They lose 200,000, so they're not profitable. Lose 200,000. Market cap is very low. It's not over $1 billion, so we're not going to include it. But we are going to add in the cash, which is $12 million. So plus 12,130,000. Total debt is 0, so we're not going to add anything there. And now we're going to take this 48 divided by 18,860,000. So the fair stock price here could be around $2.55. Very, very, very small cap company. I don't know what these guys do. Let's just take a peek. I've seen this company before. It's in my catalog. But what do they do? What do they do? Content, research. I mean, it is research solutions. Let's see what their official thing is. So provides cloud-based software as a service, research platform. It's also involved in the transactional sale of published scientific, technical, and medical content managed, sourced, and delivered through the transactions platform. Its solutions enable life science and other research intensive organizations to accelerate their research and development activities with access management, STM articles throughout the intellectual property development lifecycle. The company was formerly known as Dursic Scientific Inc. and changed its name to Research Solutions in 2013. Okay. It's in Henderson, Nevada. They have 131 employees. So their sales are ticking up very slowly. They're adding about $1 million in sales on average, I guess. Pretty low, slow growth there. No insider selling. Let's see what institutions own for this. So institutions own 33.6% as of older data. New data says they own 30.5%. So institutions have sold off a little bit. We can see historically it's not as high as it used to be before, like right here or right here. Um, let's see. So we have Peter Durzik who reduced. We have Richard Whitmer, which is flat. And we have Cove Street Capital who increased their position. So it's a research company that is adding $1 billion or $1 million a year, it looks like. It looks like for 2023, we're up actually quite a bit. So in 2022, they had 32.9 million. And it looks like for 2023, they're at 36. So this is 3,400,000. That is definitely the most growth they've seen in a long time, over a year, like year to year. So that is quite amazing for this small company. I don't, I mean, this is more of a business to business sale, so it doesn't really, it's not something that, I mean, they have individuals, you can have a free account. So, yeah, how do I feel about this company? I don't know. I don't know if it is game changing. I don't know the research space. Who is the biggest I mean, this is cataloged as software application. So it's tough. Let's look at it in my Thinkorswim really quick. And we're on the yearly chart. I want to see if the yearly momentum is coming around. It does not look like it. So again, looks like a cup. And we have a potential handle here. But again, the momentum on the yearly looks like it's heading down. Or it could be heading up. So we have a left shoulder here, right shoulder heading up. I don't know. I don't know how to look at this one, honestly. Let me move my screen just a smidge. So yeah, I mean, cup handle go upwards, but it's really hard to tell. I guess if you wanted some homework, I know you guys don't like homework. Actually, that's not fair. I don't know if like learning is always great. So, I mean, this just looks like a huge cup and handle. If I look closer, we would want to see, I mean, essentially the stock price to move up here, but it's also trading in this pattern. So if this was my money, I would pay a little bit more attention to see. So the volume was 117,000. The average volume is 23,000. So that's good to know because potential is that buy side volume. Let's see the daily. Yeah. So I need to move the screen again. There. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's green. It's a green volume bar here. So there was more buying than selling, which is good. Relative, I mean, in the daily candle, it does look like cup and handle here too, like cup handle. So, I mean, I would just watch this. I think it's probably going to take a move up based off of the relative volume being high. It's almost five times higher than it normally is. Let's look at the weekly really quick. So going back, let's look at last week. So last week, ending August 11th, there was 259,000. Week before that, 245,000. Week before that, 23,000. Week before that, 31,000. Week before that, 139,000. So I'm seeing the last 2 weeks have been volume to the upside. That is definitely going to shape the monthly candle, which, we'll want to watch. There is still, let's see, one, two, three more full trading weeks ahead. And it looks like the weekly, there's a lot of volume, a lot of demand around the $2 price. So, by the time you guys see this, the move will have already had happened. Yeah, maybe I should put this one out earlier. Uh, yeah, I mean, man, this is something that you could get into and then it could just tank. So again, I would exercise caution here. I don't really know how to proceed. If it was me, I can tell the last 2 weeks were a lot of demand here, a lot of coiling, a lot of demand, a lot of accumulation. We see accumulation, we see distribution. I mean, the stock price, if it can break and hold the 240 price, which I think it's going to try and make a move over the next couple weeks, that would be huge for the stock. So I'll put this on my Robinhood watch list. I think this could be a good one to watch. I might take a position in my Robinhood, just probably like 10 shares. But yeah, that's this video. All I can say, the last 2 weeks there's been major accumulation. I don't know anything. Maybe people who are buying, they may know something, but yeah. Take that for what it's worth. If you guys made this far, please consider hitting subscribe. Hit the like. If you don't like it, tell me why. Dislike it as well. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon.